your head. I'm small, bro. I'm small. Look, you can act a movie here. What you think? Let's do it. Look at this. Hey yo!
Thank you.
Welcome. Wait, I think I'm gonna get a thumbnail over like birds or something. This thing is cool, bro. I'm telling you guys, you can enjoy here. I'm not gonna lie to you. If you see outside, you see that? I see this symbol. They say Nairobi Snake Park and Aquarium. That's where you're gonna see me next. For right now, there is something crazy. Look, just look at this. I love this. I don't know if you can see me. Look, just look at this. Look at this. So the crazy thing is, these are just pictures. And we wanna go around them. Before we go around them, man, I'm just seeing something interesting here. What is this? Oh, this is type of soil. They engraved the map of Kenya there. I love it. I love this. I love it the way they did that. Anyway, I wanna show you guys these pictures, man. This is crazy. So here are pictures, I think, of every people who fought for independence. You know, every picture they took during independence time, which is really amazing, by the way. Just look, and they've made this thing kind of spiral, going down to show you everything. I love that form. I love that form. Look, until the top, where here you can see Jomo Kenyatta there. Funny enough, it is up. The good thing is, it is showing our tallest building. Here, look. I'm enjoying the stay here, man. I ain't gonna lie. Here we have bees for life. Wait, what? This guy. Oh, this is called the Aga Khan. Oh, the Aga Khan place. Man, look at this. This is a whole fucking big bee, bro. How did they do that? And look at it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm going through, and they've said, mind your head. I'm small, bro. I'm small. Look, you can act a movie here. What you think? But it's good, bro. Look, just look at this, man. Oh man, look at this bee. Average size of overdrawn bee is approximately 22.7 millimeters. Use magnifying lens provided for improved visibility. Drone bee. Can you see anything? Is it open? They say some drone bee. Where is it? The one says down there somewhere. Let's find it. Let's find out. Let's find out. Let's find out. I don't know where it is. It's a male. This is a male honeybee. I think this is just something. This is just the preview of it as a whole. They try to magnify it and show you everything. And these are some of them. This is the queen. It lays, well, this is just a circle. They say do not touch, so I'm not touching anything. I'm not touching anything, and don't touch anything when you come here. So we have the queen. It lays eggs, you know. After laying eggs, it comes up here for the worker. The eggs become the worker after being hatched. After being a worker, they work. Then they hatch a larva. I think you can see down there, that's a larva. Then that larva comes, and that larva spins cocoon and changes into pupa. After changing into pupa, which the pupa is here, then it comes to the adult bee. Look, I love this. This is just like a honeycomb. They call it honeycomb. They show the explanation of how the bee works and how everything about bees, the circulation and everything. Here is the distribution of beekeeping communities in Kenya. You see, this is how people look. Here, this part of Kenya, this part doesn't have any beekeeping, man. None. But I think the reason is the place is, really sunny, and those people are not even interested in the, you know, yeah. So look at this. Look at this. This is the worker bee. I think this place is just some bee place, man. This is the bee place. So you see those things? Those are how you keep the bee, like the hives and everything. You see, equipment tools. This is the suit, bee suit. This is the worker. The worker bee is a little bigger. You see? Nah, I'm lying. It's a little smaller than, but it is smaller than. What was it? What was the name? Uh, that male bee, because that one was 22 millimeters. This is 11 to 15, which means it is smaller. From there, we have this, the queen bee. Queen bee must be big, you see? This is the queen bee, how it looks, but they have enlarged it to explain everything. But in real life, it is also bigger than the others. See, it is 25. Yeah, this is their ecosystem and stuff, how they live. These are people explaining. They explain how they always get the bees and everything. Here we have these bees here. Look at this small. It's kind of resting places. Yeah. Wait, what is this? Oh man, this is cringy. But they say do not touch, do not enter. So I can't do that. This is traditional Ogiek family hut. This is a Nilot, yeah. This is a Nilot. This is how the hut was. Bro, I think this thing rain can kill you in it, right? Am I lying? Look at how small it is and it looks weak, bro. Let's see the elder. Let's see the elder. I could have joined, but they've said no entering inside. These are the added products of beekeeping. You know, the honey serum, the honey body cream. These are things they make. What honey does, honey is just good. Look, man, they make this place nice. Like, look at this. Look at this, man. I really love it. This is where we come to Bees for life exhibition. So this is the entrance to the B side. So I'm out of the B side. I'm where there are animals. Look, guys, look. What is this? They call it the black rhino. Damn. Look, this is the skull of a lion. Huh. The skeleton of a lion. We have the leopard, you know, the elephant, the leopard. The, this one the elephant. This is just the side. Rhino, rhinoceros. Oh, sorry, sorry. And the buffalo itself. I really think there's a lot. And I'm not gonna lie to you people. You will walk inside here until you seem lost. You not even seem. You'll get lost. Anyway, this is just the circle of life that I was talking to you guys about. You know, you just go circle and circle and circle. Imagine I went down, come up with another way. This place is big. You see? I'm not gonna lie, I enjoy being here, man. I've enjoyed, I've been exhausted. There's just a lot going on, man. Damn, I just think I might even come back here. But you know, I have a lot of journeys that I want to do. Go a lot to a lot of places, like Mount Kenya. I need to visit that place too. But I'm gonna go with you guys. That's why I love you, man. So I need you guys to stay tuned for that. Subscribe, like, share. Every video is dropping, man. Of every place I go, you're gonna see it. So we are remaining with, I think, creativity and stuff. After going there, we are going to now the aquarium in the snake place. Man, I need to see that place, man. Anyway, stay tuned. The creativity part, creativity and arts now.